Hello guys, and welcome to my channel. So in today's video, as I promised you guys, I'm going to allow my hubby to on this phone so you can see how this phone looks when you put it on, and some other things I want to show you as well. So if you want to see how it goes, please keep on watching. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to this channel. Tap on the bell icon. In that way, you will get instant notifications whenever I upload a new video. So thank you all so much for watching. Yeah, without any further ado, let's dive into the video. So my lovelies, I'm going to go ahead and allow my hubby to show us how to transfer data and on this phone so you can see. So as you can see, the phone he was using before, he has used the previous phone for almost 4 years now, I think. So and you can see the pin at the back of this manual. Yeah, this particular one. So that is what you need to use to tap on the top of the phone. So as you can see what he's doing, so he's going to transfer the sim he was using previously in the other phone and transfer it into this new phone. Again, this is how to transfer your data from your old phone to your new Samsung phone. So you can follow the instructions and see what next to do. Again, you can see this is the sim my hubby was using previously, and this sim is called nano sim. You can see how tiny it looks. Again, you can either use dual sim or you can use memory card with it. So my lovelies, as you can see here, my hubby was trying to explain to me that you can actually use this nano sim. You can insert it here, and you can actually insert memory card alongside as well. And just 2 days ago, he bought 512 gigabytes and added to this phone, which makes it 1 terabyte. If you haven't watched the first video, you can go and watch it so that you understand what I mean. So now the storage in this phone is now 1 terabyte. Enough memories. So definitely I'm going to be using this once in a while to shoot a video. So my lovelies, as you can see here, the phone is coming up now, and is actually coming up in so many languages. And after that, I think you just need to be clicking next, and actually the phone will be directing you on what next to click. And remember, this phone is like the size of this phone is 6.9. Yeah, so it's so huge, like it's quite huge. It's a it's a big phone. So yeah, so far so good. This phone is really good, and it's quite easy to follow when transferring your data. So as you can see here, it's trying to put the internet, so I'm going to bring you back later. So my lovelies, the next thing you need to do is to click on smart switch. So smart switch needs to be on both phones. So once you click on smart switch, it's definitely going to transfer your data from your old phone to your new Samsung phone. And as you can see, during the process it will take you like about, let's say, 4 to 5 minutes, if maybe less, depending on what you have in your previous phone. So after this process, as you can see here, it is going to ask you accept or deny, and of course you're going to accept, and then it will transfer your data to your new phone. And as you progress, you'll be seeing similar things, like options on what to do. As you can see here as well, my hubby clicked accept, and you need to be doing this on both phones, because it's transferring from your old phone to your new phone. So yeah, that is it. So yeah, keep on watching. And again, sometimes he might ask you, do you want everything or something like that. If you don't want to transfer all the data, you can click on the specific things you really want to transfer. But if you want everything, you can just click all, depending on what your own shows you, yeah. So this is a straightforward thing. It's so straightforward. It's not hard at all. As you're progressing, it will be showing you what to do, and it's very simple and clear on what to do. So yeah, in the next video I will be showing you how you can properly add your screen protector to protect your phone, either you're using Samsung or you're using iPhone or you're using any other phone. So my lovelies, that is all. And as you can see, this video is self-explanatory. And if you find it helpful, please go ahead and give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. And I will see you all in my next video. Stay blessed, stay beautiful, and I love you all. Bye. Bye, lovelies. You